Now that the 4-inch lift is installed, we're going to take Gunpowder out and test out different road conditions to kind of get a feel for how the new lift handles as the adventure continues. Just look at that suspension getting a workout underneath Gunpowder. So we did a few creek crossings, and this one gets a little bit on the deep side. And as a little added bonus, we start to run into some snow conditions. That was a little unexpected, but hey, we love the snow. We sure had a blast with Gunpowder and our new 4-inch suspension lift kit made by Superlift. If you have any comments or questions, be sure and drop them below. Be happy to answer them. The test ride went well. Everything seemed good. 37-inch tires plus 4-inch lift. Good match for us. So, as always, like, share, subscribe to our channel. Let us know what you think about it. And next time, we will be taking Gunpowder out for some flexing to really see what this lift kit does for us. As the adventure continues, we'll see y'all out on the trails. After a long day out on the trails in Gunpowder, our Jeep Gladiator, I like to reach for a can of Ray's energy drink, Voodoo Edition, for rapid rehydration. And its fantastic orange flavor. Get yours today using coupon code Gunpowder.